So if you struggled at all on this little quiz, I'm just going to run through maybe what you're missing. So I was describing how we show the symbols for a different nucleus by using first whatever the symbol is for that particular particle, and that's either from the periodic table or some of those special particles have their own unique, maybe Greek letters, but generically, let's just use an S here to represent the symbol. And then the mass number goes in the upper left, and the charge number goes on the lower left. Okay, so this might be the charge inside a nucleus. That would be like the atomic number if this were an element. The mass number would be the protons and neutrons that make up that particular nucleus. So look in the upper left for mass, lower left for charge. And in the case of like the positron, the symbol for the positron is the E plus. So when you see a 0 here, that means it has no mass, just like the electron has no mass. So we use the beta particle for the symbol for the electron. It also has no mass. Okay, and when we say no mass, that means no mass number because there's no protons or neutrons. All right, and then the charge on a positron, it's just a charge of 1. Very much like a proton has a charge of 1. We don't put the plus here, but it would be because charges come in like 2 different types, positives and negatives. This one happens to be the positive. And the beta particle, just like an electron, is a negative one. So remember, this beta particle is really a clever name for an electron. And the positron is the same in every way, mass, except opposite in charge. Okay, just some special little particles that I want you to know about as we study more in nuclear energy.